Hello and welcome to our channel. Learn how to use voice to text feature. Voice messages are quite popular for the ease of sending long messages without having to type them. This, however, comes with the risk that the recipient might not be able to listen to the voice recording circumvent. The risk you can send a message using voice to text. To do this, go to any WhatsApp chat and tap on the text. Just send a message, look for the microphone icon in the bottom right corner next to the space icon on the keyboard and dictate your message. You can use period, exclamation, or question marks to have punctuation typed in when done. Tap the keyboard icon or tap the send button. This is a great feature. They give you the best of both worlds. Get to use your voice. There gets to read the message. What other features would you like to know about? If you like this video, forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.